This year, wetlands, ponds, and streams across California failed to fill with water as a result of one of the worst droughts the state has seen in decades. Limited water resources not only impact people and communities, but also plants and animals that rely on these essential water resources for survival. In Santa Cruz County, U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service biologists are working alongside county, state, and other federal natural resource partners to prevent the extinction of 3 amphibian species that rely on critical wetland habitat to reproduce. They are giving species that are already threatened or endangered a fighting chance, not only to survive the drought, but to take steps towards overall recovery. The federally endangered Santa Cruz long-toed salamander and 2 other threatened amphibians, the California red-legged frog and the California tiger salamander, are all known to occur within Ellicott Slough National Wildlife Refuge, a coastal wildlife preserve located between Monterey and Santa Cruz counties. But in recent years, refuge ponds have remained dry during the breeding season. As part of the service's salamander recovery plan, biologists have identified regrading with the addition of clay lining and planting native vegetation as effective measures to enhance wetland habitat for salamanders and other amphibians. The service has been working in partnership with natural resource experts from the Natural Resource Conservation Service, California Department of Fish and Wildlife, and the Resource Conservation District of Santa Cruz County, not only on technical engineering and project design, but also pulling together boots-on-the-ground funding to complete project construction with support from the service's coastal program. Service biologists say that native grass species, including purple needlegrass and California brome, will provide erosion control, and the clay lining acts to enhance availability of surface water and extend the life of the pond itself. The goal of these measures is to extend the wetland hydro period, the amount of time a wetland is covered by water, by retaining rainwater that enters the pond, which is especially important during periods of drought. The ultimate goal is to ensure that the ponds retain water during the rainy season from October through March. The habitat improvement projects were completed at sites across the refuge this fall, just in time for the rainy season to begin. They provide acres of improved habitat that may just save these species that are already struggling from further loss. So far, the results are promising. Wildlife biologists are already seeing movement of male and female Santa Cruz long-toed and California tiger salamanders to the refuge ponds following the first rain showers this October. The ponds will continue to be monitored until the end of the winter rains, which hopefully will stretch until March or April of next year. Providing viable breeding habitat at multiple ponds means salamanders have the opportunity to diversify mate selection during the breeding season, which typically occurs between January and February. It also buffers the effect of catastrophic pond failure and provides space for the species to expand. As the future of water resources remains uncertain, proactive conservation measures, like this one, may mean the difference between survival and extinction of species already facing an uphill battle.